Welcome to this video, where we will explore what is inside a computer. A computer is made up of many different parts, and each part has a specific job. We start with input devices. These are used to give input to the computer, allowing us to interact with it. The keyboard is an essential input device. It is used to type numbers and letters to communicate commands to the computer. The mouse is used to move the cursor and click on the screen, providing another way to navigate and interact. Next, let's look at output devices. These show the result of the computer's processing back to the user. The monitor is a key output device. It displays everything you see on the computer screen. Speakers are output devices that produce sound and audio from the computer, letting you hear music, notifications, and more. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. It controls and manages everything the computer does. The CPU processes instructions and runs programs. It manages the flow of data between input, memory, and output. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is the short-term memory of the computer. It holds data that the CPU is actively using. More RAM means smoother performance. When you open more applications, more RAM is needed to run them efficiently. Storage devices store data permanently, even when the computer is turned off. Examples include solid-state drives and hard disk drives. The hard disk drive, or HDD, is a slower form of storage but often provides more storage capacity for your files. The solid-state drive, or SSD, is a faster and more modern storage technology, offering quicker access to data and improved performance. Finally, the motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the computer components together, allowing them to communicate and function as a system. The power supply gives electrical power to all parts of the computer, converting AC power to the low-voltage DC power needed by the components. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, handles graphics and games. It's dedicated to processing images, videos, and 3D rendering. The cooling system keeps your computer cool and safe by dissipating heat generated by the components, preventing overheating and damage. The cabinet holds all the computer parts together, providing protection and a structured environment for the internal components. All parts work as a team, communicating via buses on the motherboard. The CPU, memory, and input/output devices constantly exchange data and instructions. A simple example of this teamwork is when you type. Your input is processed by the CPU and displayed on the monitor. Understanding these parts matters because knowing how they work helps you use your computer better and troubleshoot problems. To quickly recap, the CPU is the brain, RAM is the short-term memory, and storage holds your long-term data. The final thought is that every part has a critical role in the computer system. They all fit together like pieces of a puzzle. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more to learn about technology in a simple way.